Welcome back to Bill's Pre-K Tai Chi. This segment is going to feature the last 4 movements of Yang 24, and it actually features one of the bigger movements, so be prepared for a little more of a radical movement. So we'll pick up where we left off in the last segment, which was fair ladies work the shuttles to the left. Now at this point, we half step up with the right foot, we shift our weight back to that right foot. Our right arm comes across and over all of our weight on our right leg as we needle to the bottom of the C. We push up, we step forward, we push the enemy with the left hand and protect our head with the right. This is called fan strikes through the back. Now we do this radical movement, we pivot, we shift our weight to our right, we pivot on our right heel, so we're now pigeon-toed. We finish by bringing the right toe in. We step out, radical step, parry, come across, our right fist is by our right hip. All our weight's on my right leg, and I come up, and then I put all my weight behind the punch. Then I appear to close the entrance, I clean that arm off, I rotate back. One more big push. Once again, I shift my weight back, I pivot on my left heel, then my right heel. I do a big scoop, this is called cross hands. Bring that foot in, push out, open up. Now my weight's on both feet, I shift the weight to the right, and I finish complete Yang 24. Now I'm going to show you the last 4 movements with less commentary so you can watch the flow. We started out with fair ladies work the shuttles to the left, and we half step up with the right and needle to the bottom of the C. All our weight is in our right leg. We push up, fan strikes through the back, we push the enemy to the left. Now we shift our weight, pivot on that left heel, bring that right foot in, we step, parry, rotate our whole body around, empty step, and punch. We appear to close the entrance, we clear that arm off, we push one more time, shift our weight back, pivot on the right heel, left heel and the right heel, big scoop, bring our arms together, this is called cross hands, push out, open up, shift our weight to the right, and that's the end of Yang 24. Thank you for watching, and practice, practice, practice. That's the key to learning Yang 24. Good luck.